What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mitch, and today we are back with another video. Today we are reacting to the San Antonio Spurs versus the Oklahoma City Thunder. This is now game one of the Western Conference Finals, and if I'm being honest, I just want to see OKC get smoked. After last series versus the Lakers, oh no, no back-to-back for you guys. You're gonna sweep LeBron. You're gonna sweep the Lakers on one of LeBron's last rodeo. You guys are up there with the Nuggets now on my list. And you know the Spurs knocked out the Timberwolves. Timberwolves are my second favorite team behind the Lakers. Spurs would be the third. So luckily the Spurs are on my list. They're on my good list. OKC, you're on that other one. But anyways, we're getting ready to check out game one. They're saying Wemby did his thing. Did not watch this game. Seen a few highlights here and there. I'm just ready to see OKC get smoked. That's it. They can't just sweep LeBron and the Lakers like that and get away with it and win back-to-back championships. Are you crazy? But with all that being said, we're getting ready to check out game one of the Western Conference Finals. Let's get it. Okay. Boy, Wemby's tall as hell. Damn.
7-0 start for San Antonio. Caruso straight on triple.
After Caruso. Get the fan with the fan, man. You got to put that down. You're blocking the camera.
Caruso had a bad shooting year, but he's been good from deep in the playoffs.
Okay.
Over the outstretch. Holmgren knocks down.
I like that. Yes, keep smoking OKC. This is what I like to see. Hold on. That's what I like. For Sam. Hold on, Wemby. You let Caruso do that? Nah, I just rolled in. Just rolled in.
Giving away about a foot.
Hold on. Caruso's locking down and getting layups on Wemby. Something's not right here.
SGA back the other way. Pulls up. Now he's on the board. We'll screen the top. Keldon Johnson, 6th man
shot.
in the NBA.
Yes, cook OKC, please.
Now Johnson defending. Caruso for one more.
Oh. Is Caruso going to be a problem this series?
Wallace checked in for the Thunder. Williams on the turn to the basket. He's involved in everything.
Oh.
Got thrown up, taken away. Mitchell going the other
damn.
way.
Okay, Williams.
What a beautiful, unselfish play there by Mitchell.
Let's go, Castle.
Inside, got the bang in the bucket.
That's what I'm talking about. I need y'all to sauce up right now. Okay, OKC up by 2.
Oh, nice spin.
That's what I'm talking about, Wemby.
From the top, Johnson knocks down the 3. Huge. Such good
let's go.
Quick feet all across
Do
the
that.
board both ways.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spurs looking good.
8 of 13 shooting twos. The 3 of 14 for
the shot.
Knocks down another 3, and Mark Dagnall will stop it here as the Spurs have gone on a nice run. 6th man of the year, Keldon Johnson missed. Right over.
Did he just put that on Chet's head?
On a nice run. 6th man of the year, Keldon.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, he doesn't like him. He don't like him.
Right over the top of the outstretched Holmgren, and there's 8 in a row for the Spurs.
Caruso again.
32-38.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the play I seen.
Their last 7 threes.
On Shy and Chet, your 2 favorite players. Honestly, this is what I needed. This is the revenge I needed, honestly. Like, they were really feeling themselves against the Lakers. Like, lucky we didn't have Luka. Good job, Wemby. Phenomenal.
Okay. In one fell swoop.
Yo, we got to put a hand in Caruso's face, man. This is like his 4-3.
Caruso 16.
Good shot, asshole.
Rises up and hits. Scored 14 points a game in the regular season. McCain the push. Williams through the ring. Race finish.
44-41.
Williams now defending Wembenyama.
Oh yeah, Wemby, too small for you.
Down the double comes. Wemby tries
One-handed.
left hand.
Did the ball even touch his other hand? Rick?
No. No, it did not.
Yeah, they can't do nothing with him. Oh my.
Easy.
That Shaq?
No, it did not. Easy. This is easy money. Easy
Yeah.
money.
Hey, Shaq doesn't want that.
The play is joined by
Oh yeah.
Marcel for
Oh yeah. Like, I'm just very confident. Like, I just really like this series. Especially the way it's looking right now, 41-51. Wemby's cooking up shit. Shy doesn't seem to really be doing much right now. I'm happy.
Double-digit lead now for the Spurs.
And the first double-digit deficit for OKC in the postseason. Holmgren changes that as he hits his first field goal attempt of this game. Good defense against
Good
the
defense.
Spurs. An initial possession turnover. It's hard
They
to
cook these boys, man.
his strong play, and the lead is gone.
Remember, this is what the Thunder did last year in the finals versus Indiana when they decided to go small as J. Dub here, the potential three-point play.
Look at shot.
They put Casey Wallace in that starting lineup.
SGA 2, Holmgren 3-4-3.
Good bucket, man.
There we go.
That's what you asked for, Red.
Welcome.
Yes, sir.
Castle with Holmgren at
Like
the rim,
that.
let him go down and hit 2. Gilgeous Alexander. Harper getting in his jersey, getting under his skin. Wembenyama there as well. Other guys got to carry it. Williams the pitch.
Shy.
Now for 3.
Shy's nice. I gotta give him his credit, man. But
This is
you're not gonna be cooking my goats like.
in the lead. Rebound Dort.
You're not about to be cooking my goats like that.
He'll give her on 4 the other
63-66.
way. Harper, secondary, step through for 2.
Red, we always talk about big guards.
Yes.
Him being 6'6", he actually plays bigger when he gets in the paint.
Okay. Hey, Williams is getting a lot of open
Two
buckets
little
too.
looks.
Gilgeous Alexander step back. Splashes down a 3.
Yeah. He personally needed that.
Caruso.
This Caruso's 5th 3. Good pass.
Pass in the corner for
Yes, sir.
Got the 3.
Yo, Vassell going crazy.
3 by Devin. What a nice find.
Man, that passing right now is crazy.
For the 3 from Keldon Johnson, the 6th man of the year.
It's the why, though. Victor Wembanyama is rolling.
You still up? You still up right now?
Wemby
Oh yeah, Wemby.
sees
Look at
2.
the footwork.
Nowhere to spin. Finds a spot.
Hold on. Do you see how easy he moving shit out the way? You're not no competition. Like Wemby said, we're not in the same league.
Sees 2.
What?
Nowhere to spin. Finds a spot. Over Holmgren to score.
Says who?
How about the patience, right? Looks right, look left.
Oh my God.
Chaos.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry. 22 points.
Just get used to this for the next couple years.
For Caruso.
Harper. Inside for 2.
Man.
Wembenyama.
Whoa. Gilgeous Alexander. Can't get
OKC. Y'all should have just let the Lakers win. You wouldn't have to deal with this. But now you about to get punished.
it back. And Vassell has been very active tonight for the Spurs, hasn't he? Gilgeous Alexander. He's got 2. Pass Wemby to the basket.
All right.
And they're going to get Wemby for a foul.
Wemby engulfs the
Good
ball.
pass.
Pulling pass inside.
Boy, like Tim Duncan.
Already scores. Pinned him under the rim. SGA hesitates. Every jersey turns his way. He goes inside for Holmgren to hit the rim. Williams got it. And scored. With the
3-point game.
facing Holmgren. Wemby. Dead. Rack. Block.
You got blocked?
Inside.
You got blocked there?
Facing Holmgren. Wemby. Dead. Rack. Block.
That was a foul.
Little touch pass. Right back to Caruso. It's a 1-point game.
1-point game.
On the switch now, Williams picks up Wemby. The corner 3. Finally, lead is for SGA in attack. A bump. A fade.
SGA in that mid-range, man.
2-point
That
game.
joint fly, but ooh.
Ball by Mitchell Irvin was all over it. SGA from the top pitches it out.
Caruso for a 6-3.
Lead. Clock at 5. Castle. Gotta go. Clock at 2. Hits it to the corner. Champagny.
Good shot.
Oh, man.
Williams between the legs. Floater. Got it.
Okay. So it was a close game, though.
Go quick. No hesitation. Double.
off now, so now you afforded that 2-for-1 opportunity.
Shot clock at 8. Wemby.
Yeah, Wemby.
Turns.
Oh, look at the footwork.
And hits.
Just look at the footwork.
Alexander Freeze got it with 4 left. SGA to the basket. Lays it up and in. They pulled Wemby. Harper to trigger. Wembanyama hasn't lost it. Wemby puts it blocked by Holmgren.
Shed blocked that. See, this is exactly why he about to drop 40 on him.
Space. Great timing right there.
Man.
At home.
Castle's got a pass. Attacks SGA.
But the Spurs are really making me proud this game. The Spurs are making me proud this game. They're violating OKC like this. They putting boots in OKC. Yo, this is what I like to see.
And throws it down.
To the face, too.
5 to shoot, Dylan Harper.
Indeed.
It is Castle for 3.
Oh, yeah, Wemby. Yeah, they can't do nothing with him. Hey, look, man. If we're going to keep letting Caruso shoot all these open threes, these games are going to remain close. You got to put a hand in his face, man.
Spurs by 1, 2 to go. Good hands by Caruso to knock it away. To the sideline, kept it by
Williams just get all these open buckets, man. He did. I don't count it like 6 of them already.
Wemby again. No. Fighting for it. Caruso throws it off Wembanyama. 1 point, 1 minute. Gilgeous Alexander gets inside.
Shot.
Spurs got numbers. Holmgren now behind the play. 5 on 4.
Oh, yeah.
Pull a deep 3.
You know another 7-footer that could do that? You tell me.
Oh, my.
For the Warriors.
SGA breaks free. He's got it now. Clock at 5. Tries to turn the corner. He spins.
Ooh.
Sees 2. It's Williams for 3. No. Tip. No.
Bro, this is like Christmas.
There might be more time on here as well.
Broken up. Again, it's Caruso for Wembanyama. 45.
Oh, yeah.
And he's still going strong. Ankle injury suffered in the Minnesota series. They double Gilgeous
bad.
Alexander. Wallace takes a 3 and knocks it down. 1 point game. Castle. Harper.
Yes, sir, Harper.
Slice for 2. Oh.
4-point game.
Secondary. Pitch back. Williams 3. Got it.
I'm not gonna lie, man. I can't stand OKC. I can't stand OKC, but this is good basketball. This is good basketball.
Bucket at the right time.
Harper guarded by Williams. Caruso.
Shit. This is like your. I'm not even gonna pause it. This is like your 4th time getting dunked on. This game alone. This game alone.
But what a
Caruso, the star of the night, gets to the basket, reverse with Wemby there.
Oh, yeah.
Holmgren denied by Vassell. Williams inside, can't score.
Good defense.
Wembanyama.
Oh yeah.
He's
You just gotta snap for this.
Gotta go quick. Williams.
This is a classy. This is a classy whooping right here.
Shot clock is off. Harper is
They gave him a
fouled.
classy spanking.
And the San Antonio Spurs on an
Maybe we had to go into overtime, but we got it done. I'm not an OKC hater, but you're not gonna sweep LeBron and the Lakers like that and just get away with it. Anyway, let's check out these stats real quick. Nah, shout out to Wemby and the Spurs. Shout out to OKC also, man. But you know who came out with the victory. But let's check out these stats real quick. We got Wembanyama with 41, 24, 3 assists, and 3 blocks. Yeah, that brother cooked up. Dylan Harper with 24, 11, and 6. That's tough. Castle with 17. Bassett with 13. Champagne with 11. That's whole team solid. And for the Thunder, we have Shy with 24 points. Okay. Williams with 20. Shy with 24, 3, and 12. Okay. 12 assists. That's tough. We got Williams with 26, 7, and 3. All right. And Caruso at 31. 8 for 14 for 3. Oh, yeah. It's a good thing the Spurs won this game, because if we lost to Caruso dropping 31. But anyways, great victory by the Spurs. Y'all made my night, my day, my week with this victory over OKC. With that being said, that is the end of the video. Look out for my reaction to game 2. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want me to react to next. From music to videos, all different topics, whatever. Till next time, deuce.